Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're gonna do another unboxing. So yes, this is just an unboxing video. So if you are watching this video and you are gonna complain that it's very hard to watch because it's not a full review, yeah, it's an unboxing. So if you're interested to know more about the watch, I will normally be doing a full review a few months after I do this kind of unboxing video. So if you're really interested, well, I would suggest for you to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on the video when it is out. So it's that simple. Alright, so this is another St. Martin. So I know I just purchased a St. Martin a while back, but this is another one. Oh, so nice of them to throw in a needle strap. So I wasn't aware when I made the purchase. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the watch with my own money and I purchased it off AliExpress, I think during the 11/11 sales. Yes, so yeah. If that is, I'm not sure if that's the 11/11 sales. I think so. I don't know. Yeah, never mind. All right, nice, very nice. Okay, so this is, I would say, one of the new St. Martin 37mm Pilot watch. I will put the reference number somewhere around in this video. But one of the main attractions of this watch to me is the size of the watch. This is a 37mm size watch. So I really hope that it will wear nicely on my wrist. And coupled with that new female end links that St. Martin recently introduced, which I also did a video on the female end links on one of the SN034-G, if I recall correctly. Yes, so it makes the watch a lot more wearable to people with smaller wrists like myself. Okay, let's quickly put it on the wrist. Yeah, I think it's okay. So there's no lug overhang and the size is great. It really is great. It really reminds me of the size of the Seiko Sharp 035 or 033. Yes, I really like the size of the watch. Let's see if there's any other stickers that I need to peel off on this. Okay, I think not. So this one, I will use a tape to stick it out. And let's do this. Alright, it's not coming up. Okay, so let's try to use this. Can we stick this out? Yeah, I think I will need to use another tape to peel off that sticker. And let's peel off the rest of the wrapper on the bracelet. That's simple enough. You see, they have this white paper tab that makes it really a lot more easier to remove the. Yeah, when I say easy, it's not easy anymore. Okay, yep, I got everything peeled off. Let's take a closer look at the watch. Wow, this watch looks amazing. Yeah, so it has a sapphire crystal. As you can see, there is anti-reflective coating, and the dial, I think they call it like what, oil pressured or pressured oil kind of dial in the AliExpress website description, but it is a very nicely done textured black dial. So it reminds me on a newly paved asphalt road surface. Yes, something like that. So maybe they call it like oil pressure because it's like a newly tarred asphalt or something like that. So yeah, it's really nice. And the handsets are I would say they are quite good. They are, similar to those old Dirty Dozen kind of watch. So I think now there is a hype of this, Dirty Dozen inspired watch, and I recently purchased a balcony that I really liked a lot, and this one is very nice. I believe there is another version that comes with the small second, but to me that is quite similar to the balcony which I purchased, so I went with this more regular three-hand style kind of watch, and I really like how the watch looks. The finishing, well, the finishing is a no-nonsense finishing, so it's a fully brushed finishing. So you have circular brushing on the top, and yep, longitudinal brushing on the side, and the bezel is brushed. Wow, it's really nice. And let's take a look at the bracelet. Yes, the bracelet is fully brushed as well. Comes with solid end links. I think all the links are solid. Let's see. Yep, screw links and screw from one side. Nice. Solid male clasp with the hexagonal logo on the clasp, which is nice. But two position. I don't know why they went with this kind of clasp. I think they did a pretty good clasp on the SN034-G, the so-called more original design of the watch. I think it has several more micro adjustments, but effectively you only have two positions. So I'm not sure how well this watch is gonna fit on my wrist. And looking at the size of each link, I don't know. It really depends on luck. I really wish that they gave us a clasp with slightly more micro adjustment, but I think they want it to look proportional to the watch case. That is why, it's a relatively small clasp. Not too bad in the construction. I'm really liking it. So what will I do with this watch? As usual, I will size up the watch. I will put it on my wrist on and off for a month or two, and I will come back with a full review of the watch. So if you're interested on the full review video, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on that video when it is out. I guess that's it. Oh yeah. One more thing. Let's take a really quick look on this NATO strap. So this one is more like an olive green. It's a lighter shade of yellow and green, so I would call it an olive green NATO strap. Nice thing about this NATO strap is that all the hardware on the strap, they are brushed, matching the theme of the watch, so you don't get like a silly mismatch where the watch case is fully brushed and you have like a NATO strap with a high polish hardware and buckles. This one is nice. Let's feel the fabric. The fabric is decent, and I think the edges, they are really quite nice. Not too bad. Oh wow, elastic. So this one I think is like the elastic NATO strap from cheapest NATO strap, right? Okay, what's inside? Let's move back the camera up a bit. Well, if you've seen my another unboxing of the SN034-G, you will know that it is quite a pain in the butt, but well, today is easy. So they give me additional spring bars, which is okay because, let's see, I thought this one is a quick release. No. So yeah, additional spring bars and not too shabby. This one would be the user manual. So for a three-hand automatic mechanical watch. And okay, this one is asking you guys to read the AliExpress shipping and whatnot. Yeah, so yeah, okay, they December the 2nd, December year 2021, December the 2nd. Okay, so maybe they assume that I should be receiving the watch December the 2nd, but somehow there was a bit of a delay. Today is like what, 14th of December. Yeah. Okay, so inside is the same kind of deal. You have that really nice military style tag, but a smaller version, so it's like a keychain, you know, really nicely machine tag or keychain like thing. You have this spring bar removal tool, and you have another spring bar removal tool. Is this a screwdriver? Okay, sorry, this is a screwdriver. This is a spring bar removal tool, which is a bonus. So yeah, this is what you get inside this kind of new cylindrical watch case. Whoops, see, it's not trying to cooperate with me. Yep. So yeah, it's like a bezel. You see, it's like a diaphragm bezel with the Saint Martin hexagonal logo, and this one is, you know, to look like a case back of a watch, you know, from a typical brand where you have this kind of groove for you to open the case back. Alright, so yeah, that's all for this unboxing video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe and bye bye.